Guys, so I thought I'd just give you guys a little tour of my Schleich barn, or farm, I guess. Don't mind this highlighter, it's just a gate to keep the horses in the paddock. So let's get into it. I'm just going to turn it around because I don't know how to get it off. So this is the arena right now. It's full of horse shavings, obviously, from my horse's stall. I just stole some out of my horse's stall because ain't no one got time for that. And then we have Heidi and me, and then we have a jump that we're approaching, and then we're in the arena, obviously. And then we have down here in the stable, we have Finn, and Willow is sick, so she's lying on the ground. Then we have a little hay net which comes off, and this is also homemade. Everything here is homemade except for the horses and the humans and stuff. So yeah, hay net. Then we have a little grooming kit down here with brushes in it. Sits there. Then we have a highlighter for the gate so that the horses don't get out, and I will introduce you to the horses later. So right now I'm going to show you this little stable. It's actually not really a stable, it's just a shelter. This is just random. This is what we make the little buns that we give the horses out of. And this is the special stone that Willow uses to get better. Then we have a gift basket, just because, you know. Then we have Storm over here. Oh no, not Storm. That's my friend Amelia's horse's name. His name is Lost Shadow, but his name is actually Raven. Then we have Philly, Atali, Sky, Coco, and Shadow over here, which is my favorite horse that I have. He's beautiful, and my friend Amelia also has him. I think it might be Lily that has him, I don't know, but one of them has him. And he's a very pretty and beautiful pony or horse, and I think he's my favorite. And then, oh, the jump fell over. Oh no. Let's take that out. Put that there. There we go. And then that's Heidi. Hashtag he's a boy. Heidi is actually my real horse's name. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a good day and are enjoying your day as it is right now. My friend's coming over soon and I get paid, and then I'm going to go buy squishies, and then I'm going to do a squishy review. So yeah, bye!